any transgender which so far has joined this so-called civil services.
कि आईना दिखाने से पहले पत्थर समेटना जरूरी है। आप कह रहे हैं कि आईएएस और आईपीएस आईना दिखाते हैं, इसलिए करियर के लिए वो ज्यादा सही है।
अगर मैं बात करूँ सिविल सर्विसेज की, तो मुझे याद नहीं आता कि कोई ऐसा ऑफिसर है जिसकी वजह से इंडिया जाना जाता है।
अरे बहुत पेनफुल है, बहुत पेनफुल।
दिस इज हाँ रियलिटी सर, रियलिटी।
Giving you a proposal. I'm giving you a proposal. You're going to get married, right? So one actress is there, another is IAS. Whom would you like to?
In the film industry, many people are also wasting their times.
In fashion movie, females are criticized in film industry. Priyanka Chopra's movie is that in this movie, females have to sacrifice with their body. So what do you want to say? You want to support or you don't want to support? Because you are
I am supporting the concept of film industry.
Likewise, they don't care about their rejections as well or their performances, because yes, we could say that it is an era of nepotism, favoritism.
It's very different. It's a very vast discussion to have. As a parent, if I am a parent, if you are a parent, you will always emphasize that your kid reach to a level where there is a dignity, where there is a salary, where there is a power and position. They will always look for that.
Welcome to this amazing and special and very insightful discussion that we're going to hold today and we're going to conduct today, right? So it's actually choice, right? So when we have options, we have to go with four guys, right? You have to just choose one. So same time, when you have two career selections and two career choice, you have to just choose one. Like for example, I gave you the two options. That is one film industry, another is civil services. You must have your own facts behind this. Like if you want to say that civil services, you must have your own reasons. And if you're just talking that you want to choose film industry as your career, I think you must have own reasons for that particular thing as well. But if I just talk generally, so I think that film industry is not regarded always as a career, right? This is the first thing. But when it becomes your career, actually civil servants work for you. And civil servants also welcome you on the red carpet, like when Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, all the celebrities come and all the civil servants are behind them. But if civil servants want that they can restrict those people to just come into particular region, particular location, because it's their right and choice to restrict them, right? As we know, like even the Prime Minister of India, when he goes for contesting the Lok Sabha election, he has to submit his form to the collector. And collector has authority to make Prime Minister stand in front of him. And Prime Minister stands. That's the authority and that's the power, that's the right and dignity of collector and of civil servant. So somehow we can find both the people have power and both the people have their different powers, right? So let's talk about it. First of all, in the first session, what we are going to do, we are going to have your opinion one by one regarding this particular topic, that what are your actually concerns about this? You want to say whether film industry or you want to just talk for civil services and all. So I'll just take your opinion very quick, and after that we will move for the debate. So I'd like to start with Abhishek first, right? So Abhishek, what's your opinion?
Because we all know bureaucracy, whether it's bureaucracy or it's civil services, it is like it provides us the chance where one can enjoy his or her fundamental right to expression in a very variety of manner.
Okay.
And we all know, if we want to change the society, if we want to change the world, we have to deal with emotional intelligence in a very matured manner. And I think film industry is the one platform which gives us the authority to someone where we can...
All right, everybody. So we've got Abhishek's opinion regarding that he is actually choosing film industry.
मेनली हमारा जो मनोरंजन पर्पज है और समाज को एक अच्छा संदेश देना भी होता है, लेकिन आज की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ज़्यादातर हमारी जो इंडस्ट्रीज है मनोरंजन तो अच्छा करा रही हैं, लेकिन समाज को संदेश अच्छा नहीं दे पा रही है।
मतलब मनोरंजन नहीं करा पा रही है।
मनोरंजन तो कर रही है,
मनोरंजन
मनोरंजन नहीं कर पा रही,
मनोरंजन नहीं कर पा रही।
सिविल सर्विसेज में बात करते हैं तो आईएएस आईपीएस ही मेनली है।
ठीक है।
तो आईएएस आईपीएस का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल है। वो अलग बात है कि करप्शन की बात हुई है कि करप्शन है, करप्शन तो इंडिविजुअल पे डिपेंड करता है,
ठीक है,
लेकिन ये करियर के हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा करियर है जिसमें आप कुछ करके दिखा सकते हो कि इसमें हमारे समाज के लिए बहुत अच्छा कार्य करने के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज है।
ठीक है।
आप आईएएस हो या आईपीएस हो, दोनों ही इक्विवेलेंट सर्विसेज है और हम जो भी उस पोस्ट पे जाता है वो चाहे तो समाज में एक बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन ला सकता है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे आईपीएस और आईएएस जो ऑफिसर्स हैं इनके बारे में कई के बारे में पढ़ा है, तो उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन भी लाया है। कई एसएसपी रैंक के लोग जिन्होंने पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पूरे जितने भी बदमाश हैं, आपके इस तरह के जो भी गुंडागर्दी करने वाले लोग हैं, उनका सफाया किया है। उन्होंने ठान लिया तो सफाया किया है। तो एक थोड़ा सा जज्बा होना चाहिए कि हमें जीवन में कुछ करना है। जो करना चाहता है वो कर सकता है, और जिसको लालच है, करप्शन में डूबता है, तो उसका कोई इलाज नहीं है। अदरवाइज दोनों ही सर्विसेज, सिविल सर्विसेज में दोनों ही जो हमारी पोस्ट हैं,
ठीक है। ऑलराइट, दैट्स अ फैंटास्टिक थिंग सर, एंड दैट्स वेरी गुड थिंग। आपने सिविल सर्विसेज के ऊपर बात की, कुछ लाइनें मुझे याद आ रही है कि सुबह हो गई है, बिस्तर समेट ले, जाग कर तू अपनी किस्मत समेट ले, अगर उसे तू आईना दिखाना चाहता है, सबसे पहले शहर के सारे पत्थर समेट ले। तो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि आईना दिखाने से पहले पत्थर समेटना जरूरी है। आप कह रहे हैं कि आईएएस और आईपीएस आईना दिखाते हैं, इसलिए करियर के लिए वो ज्यादा सही है। मिस्टर सिद्धार्थ।
Good evening, friends, and hello, sir.
Hi.
See, I feel that these are personal choices, not based on what career one should choose. It's all about where the inclination is, right? So I personally feel that it's not about everybody choice to dance and act and all that stuff, because there is an inclination towards it. There is the interest towards it, right? And not everybody would get into a deep study mode and going through rigorous processes of getting into these civil services, right? So these are personal choices. But if you ask me which field I would like most, so I would prefer civil services for sure. Why? Because see, there is a power and position which comes with that. With Bollywood or which movies and all that stuff, there is a career which defined on how hit movies you go through, on how hit movies you actually projected, right? You have to dance on the tunes of director and all that stuff. Few people still not accepted this industry as a dignified industry, right? And there's a reason behind it. But with civil services, as a citizen and as a civil servant, you have the chance to change the things. You have the chance to project the power and do something good for the society. You have the chance to make sure that what nation needs and how much you can contribute as a civil servant. Also, as sir said that that's an industry and that's a government job, right? But the career limitation is very limited with film industry, because the more hits you do, the longer you can stay. But with as a civil servant, nobody can change you, nobody can suspend you unless until you are caught into a big corruption. They can only transfer you. And we have a lot of good IAS officers who have been transferred because they have took stand, they have done a lot of changes. Government has a limited control on them, right? But what they can do, they can change a lot of things, right? And they can impact the functioning of the entire government. So this is the kind of position this power and power position it has, right? And also it's a very dignified sort of a job, I would say, wherein you have people working for you, they respect you by heart, they respect you, the power position which you have, right? And when you have reached to a level, when IS become a big person, going through ranks and got to a position, they can also, call a star and make him dance on a daughter's wedding or a son wedding. So this is what they can.
That's what. You know what I mean?
Thank you so much.
That's a great claim, and actually, right? So here I would like to say that you are favoring as like civil services or film industry, right? So as Abhishek also said, and you said that this reflect the mirror to the society. He said film industry reflects the mirror to the society. But I still remember that few lines of Mirza Ghalib Sahab there कि गालिब जिंदगी भर ये भूल करता रहा, धूल चेहरे पर थी आईना साफ करता रहा. So let's talk before we move to the mirror. We have to actually clean our face and let's see whether film industry is corrupt or exact services are corrupt. But I will come to conclusion before I move to first I will move to Mr. Mirdul. Yes.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my friends. I have nothing much to say because as Siddharth sir has said most of the part that I have to say, but don't worry. Like he said that, yeah, it's true that it doesn't matter whether civil services are better or film industry are better for someone. Even we have many options in our career. Maybe something is better than these two. So it is we should give liberty to those who want to choose, who want to pursue their own career in their own way. All right. If it is asked to me that whether film industry is better or civil services, I will go for civil services because what I feel is like civil services is a more secure option.
Right.
It is a just like film industry is a hard fought earned job, and I guess film industry, yeah, hard fought, but it is based on luck as well because what people may like, what people dislike, it is up to that will decide that whether you will achieve that top or you will hit the rock bottom. So, but it is not the case in the sales services. It is like constant, or you could say a tangent slope in which you can only rise, or either you can stay constant, but you never get to fall unless you conduct some serious misconduct. Well, that is up to you because you are smart enough and you got that job. So I guess you must persuade that situation. And what I feel is like, see, whether we are talking about civil services, there is corruption. Whether we are talking about film industry, they are their own evils. They have their own evil secrets. But see, both are evil. But I believe if you have to choose, you have to choose a lesser evil. And I believe that civil services is the lesser evil in this case. So I guess I will go for civil services.
All right, he will go for civil services. That's fair.
So if you are asking me to choose one, then I will go with film industry
Okay, wow.
because it has blind money.
It has blind money.
Yeah,
All right.
lot of money you can say. And in the end, money speaks.
I,
Money is important.
I,
Lot of money.
yes.
So yeah, that's all, that's all I need to say.
Money matters. ये चमक ये धमक लुपा तुम्हें महका. Yeah, continue, please.
Toxicity is there in both cases. So it's not a matter of toxicity like which has more corruption or less corruption. So I don't want to say on that. So yeah, that's all.
पैसा कमाने के लिए सिविल सर्विसेज छोड़ आया हूँ है.
Hello everyone. I think it's personal choice and for everyone which profession they will choose.
Right.
And but in my opinion, I think civil services is better because it teaches us a lot. Like when we fail, we learn a lot. And but in film industry, we dance, we learn also there.
Right.
But we have a lot of efforts. We after efforts, we can't. Maybe we achieve goal or may not achieve goal. But in civil services, I think if we do a lot of efforts from our side, then we can achieve our aim. And I think in civil services, there's a lot of respect. But in film industry, some people get respect, but some not. For some females, get disrespected.
Right.
So I think civil services is better in my opinion as a female.
All right. That's a fantastic thing, right?
Respected sir and everyone, before going to start, I would like to thank to the sir for giving me the opportunity.
Welcome.
So it's totally different on person to person, but I'll go with the film industry.
Oh my God.
Yes. Everyone has chosen this civil services, so I have to choose this.
Wow.
Because when I was preparing for this, so I was preparing for this point, so I was thinking that everyone will choose this. I have to choose a different thing.
That's an interesting thing.
Let's do experiment.
Right. Deepika Padukone is your target.
The first point is that this fields give you the ample amount of opportunities.
Yes.
So if I talk about civil services, so you get a chance to do administrative work. If I talk about this industry, so you can do work in the multiple domain, OTT, and then as we know about Netflix and Amazon Prime, there are other OTT platform also. And if I talk about most of the people,
I talk about.
if I talk about the Bollywood industry, so most of the people know about Bollywood industry, but there are lots of industry, Hollywood industry, Tollywood industry. We know about Bhojpuri industry also.
Oh yes.
So we can do work there also. So there are lots of opportunities in this area. But if I talk about this civil services, so once in a year we give, and we have to do hard work, and might be possible that quite boring also, and quite difficult also. But if you are determined person, then you can crack. But for that you have to wait for 1 year. Suppose if you will fail in that, then again you have to wait for 1 year. But in this field you have a lots of opportunities. Suppose if you have skills, and let's take example of reels. We can consider this reels and all these things in the film industry also. There are lots of example of the people. There is one singer who was from the Bengal. She got viral, and from that video, not Kacha Badam sir, Himesh Reshamya gave her the chance.
Okay, Ranu Mandal.
Ranu Munda on the daily basis.
So you want to say that Ranu Mandal is better than IS officer?
But sir, right now without doing any work, she survive. She don't need to do work.
Right.
She doesn't need to work. Second is you can explore lots of things. Like you can go to foreign country, and you can earn lots of money. You get fame also, or you can influence other people also. Fame is our India is known for the stars. Shah Rukh Khan, we can consider
Vivek Oberoi.
not Vivek Oberoi,
Okay.
Shah Rukh Khan, and then Amitabh Bachchan, and in the late 90s or late 60s Manoj Kumar, Kishore Kumar.
Rajesh Khanna साहब.
अगर मैं बात करूँ सिविल सर्विसेज की, तो मुझे याद नहीं आता कि कोई ऐसा ऑफिसर है जिसकी वजह से इंडिया जाना जाता है.
अरे
अजीत डोभाल सर है जो कि जिसकी वजह से जाना जाता है.
बहुत
तो
पेनफुल है, बहुत painful.
this is the harsh reality, sir. Reality. Most of the people have said about the corruptions, but you cannot earn lots of money through the corruption, but you can earn lots of money through this field.
Right. So you want to be a superstar?
No, I don't want to be a superstar. I'm just doing different things. Like I told it, I have just taken a different.
Exactly. But that's a fantastic thing, right? You have just you're projected in a right way. Yes.
Thank you for Abdullah sir giving me this occasion.
Wow.
So first of all, I would tell there are two type of people in the world. First of all, who want to make money and also want to fame, and one who want to make money only. So the person who want to make money and also fame, so that person should go in film industry. But somehow but it's only depend on public. If the public like her video and her film and his film like this, so that person become a good actor. But that person work hard his whole life and always invest money in his film no. But the person who wants to become IAS and IPS, somehow he have become IPS and IAS, and after becoming IAS and IAS and IPS, there is no need to spend any money. He always earn.
Right.
He always earn, and also he has a lot of power.
Right.
And if you are film industry like actor, so you have to spend a lot of money in your film, and somehow people don't like your movie, so you lost your all money.
Very sad.
And now that you can see Akshay Kumar, his film also in lost down.
Flop. Flop.
So if you are a person who want to become who want to make a lot of money and also fame, so you should go in film industry. And if you want to make a lot of money and don't want to invest, so you should go IPS. And IPS also has a power, so that's why I like IPS. But I used to be a YouTuber, and I also want to become a YouTuber. But I want to I like IAS and IPS.
Topic which one is better, film industry or civil services? In my opinion, both are important. Film industry also important, civil service also important. Film industry, if you love editing, actor, entertain others, you choose film industry.
Yes.
Help the country by a Mr. or any other to run the country, to run the country smoothly.
क्या है कि चेंज कर लो अपना पॉइंट एक्चुअली
To run the country smoothly, you should prefer civil services. Civil services, IPS, IAS, IRS, IBS, they have
Power.
the country
Hmm.
to run smoothly. It is depend on the person. If you love, it is choose what you love.
I'm giving you a proposal. You're going to get married, right? So one actress is there, another is IAS. With whom would you like to get married? Actress or IAS?
Yes.
IAS. And you are? And you are?
I am also IS.
You're also an IAS. So you are favoring civil service,
Yes.
not film industry.
Yes. For me, will go to civil service.
Go to civil services. Right, okay. That's a fantastic thing, right? So would you like to serve in Delhi or in your own locality, that is Manipur? Manipur, Kerala, yes.
I prefer to all any place.
Any place, not in
Foreign also. I was in foreign service. Maybe other country also.
in go other country. Where?
Yes, I love also.
Pakistan.
No problem. As ambassador of India.
As an ambassador of India.
Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes. Yes.
Azerbaijan.
Maybe I love all the country. Maybe it depends on what government wants. It is all if I go to Azerbaijan or Turkey or Pakistan, I work for the country India.
Okay.
There is some relation.
But if you like someone there, then?
Many people said that many actors having that don't have a background and money power, but currently that person is going and struggling, and but after that if his person not go that fit field, but going that field after that film industry not accepting that people's many times. Currently have many examples. As only depend. If you have to go in the film industry, you have your luck and your abilities. Many person have ability but don't go that. Many person have money power that also rejected by higher authority in film industry as the organized. And in the side of civil services, you have if you clear the exam, you go there. You have that right. If you don't clear that's the point, a different point. But if you clear the exam, you have go there. Currently many civil servant are servicing in government, like Ajay Shankar, Ajit Doval sir, that doing great in the field. Like Ajay Shankar is defending India in front of every nations, like Western countries. That's why I favor civil service. Then
Good thing. So what's your choice? Civil services. And why did you compliment film industry?
don't compliment.
No, really. So you want to be ambassador of India.
If I may get that chance.
If he wants to go Nigeria. Want to go Nigeria?
His embassy.
As an ambassador. All right. Ready? That's a very good. Yeah, all right.
Bollywood or film industry is a better choice for a career, right? And there are issues with the administrative services because they have corruption and all that stuff, right? With Bollywood, you have openness, you can earn a lot of money. But corruption is everywhere, even in film industry as well. There are casting couch incidents, there are linkages to underworld, there are Me Too movement. That's a part of this casting couch only, right? There are issues wherein drug syndicates, people who are at a good stage, who are doing good in their career, they have got found in drug cartels and drug syndicates. Even son of Shah Rukh Khan was also a part of it, right? So there are a lot of things which are happening in the film industry. So what is your point on that?
everywhere this thing is happening. But if I talk about, like as I told in my turn also, that this field gives you the lots of opportunities. But if I talk about this civil services, so as I told in my turn, that you get a chance once in a year, and it is very competitive examination. And as per the data, around 10 lakh people give this examination on daily basis, not daily basis, on the yearly basis, and only I think vacancies around 1000 or around 1000. But if I talk about this industry, so you can do whatever you want to do. Like we can consider this reels and sort also in this film industry. So we know about this thing that we can easily make a reel. Let's take example of sir also. Sir, most of the people are here just because of the YouTube and all. If I talk about myself also, so I was a video of sir, and then after I got influenced by the sir, and I know I'm here. I didn't know too much about. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I watched that video in the Madhya Pradesh, and then I came here. And sir has been doing lots of things and has been doing good thing because of this industry. I can say film industry also, and this YouTube industry, influencing industry. So this film industry is giving lots of opportunities, and so there are lots of people are wasting lots of time in this field. I'm also like I'm supporting this field. I'm also preparing for examination, and I have been seeing this thing that there are also people are preparing for this examination for 10 year and even 8 year. They are not getting result. So instead of wasting 8 year and 9 year and 10 year, we can do the good thing. If let's example Wajid, he has I think follower two on the Instagram. I'm forgotten, but yeah, he is a good follower, and he has been doing very good thing. He is earning lots of money.
200K followers.
More than I think 400K on the Instagram. 700K also.
You have.
But
Why don't know? Suppose my channel has 2 strike, facing 2 strike. 90 days later, I will record my channel.
You have 7 lakhs followers.
so he has been earning good money without preparation, without doing. In the future, he will earn around 1 lakh rupees also, 2 lakh rupees.
Free.
He has ample amount of opportunities, sir. And as we know about YouTube channel, as we know about Instagram, they are earning in the crores.
Crores, yes.
Civil service, like if I talk about IS officer, he or she cannot earn this much amount of money in a whole life.
First of all, my question was different, but anyways, when you've already, took this point to that level. So my counter is this, that what do you suggest that every youngster to become a YouTuber in that case, first of all? Second thing, what do you think that a person who has become a powerful person as a IAS or IPS or IRS or IFS, he cannot earn money, or he doesn't have the means to earn money, or his money is the only thing which you look upon, not the power and the position? And what about the careers, long-term careers? There are hundreds and thousands and lakhs of people coming from different part of the country to make a career in Bollywood. They spend their nights on the roads. They eat stolen food, or the stale food, or the food from the dustbin, right? And they could not make their career, and they go back. The stories, hundreds and thousands of stories which are untold, right? So I still feel that it is better to try 100 times, 1,000 times, though there are limited opportunities to appear for that civil services for sure. But even if you fail for thrice and you did not and you did not become one, right? At least you got that kind of experience and the knowledge that you can impart training, you can create leaders and to create more civil servants. I think there are a lot of, even in Lakshmi Nagar also, you can see a lot of teachers who are preparing students because they have not succeeded, but they are such a good teachers now that are preparing civil servants, and they are preparing civil aspirants. So when everybody try to always participate, so it should.
The risk is everywhere, sir. There is one line. Risk is a risk.
Correct. This is what I'm saying. It's not easy. So if we are influenced by somebody having a lot of followers and all that stuff, but the stories which are not being told about, it's huge.
We have to take a risk. Without a risk, there is no risk. There is a line.
It's huge, yeah.
For leaking and all this kind of thing. If I talk about Madhya Pradesh, so yesterday I was talking with one guy who is preparing for this PSC examination. So he told me that they are just selling the seats, especially in the state. This is also the problem. I have that capability to crack this examination and BPSC, but they are not releasing the result. After the 4 to 5 years, they are releasing the result, and people are wasting their time. So instead of doing this thing, you can just try in this. You can become YouTuber, you can become anything.
YouTuber is a film
YouTuber,
industry.
anything you can become, bro.
You have a enough not enough opportunity in the civil service field, but I thought that in the film industry many people are also wasting their times. If you don't have a support and don't have a proper luck, and if you have a hard work, but many people don't get the opportunity in nepotism also. And if you
Yeah.
in the civil services, if you have a hard work and if you have a dedication, you have achieved that point in don't have to keep 1 or 2 times, but if you continuously doing that, you achieve that. But in the film industries, ratio of achieving is very lower than the civil services.
That's why more than film industries, civil servants are caught under CBI.
CBI.
Prestigious film industry the most is, we all know civil services via their name only.
Right.
How many of you are aware about the journey which one cover? Or about the syllabus? Or about the marks? What is the passing criteria? How many aspirants are appearing? How many are getting passed? What kind of competition which any individual is facing in this race? How many of you are aware about the film industry? If you have a subscription of Netflix, and if you want to experience the journey of a UPSC aspirant, it means how the journey from becoming to an aspirant to being an IAS officer looks like. You only need a subscription of Netflix, that too of 200 rupees per month, and just watch the series of UPSC aspirant. Another thing is
I want to see.
Anyone here who watched the movie Fashion Movie?
Yeah.
No one?
Passion.
A fashion movie. In fashion movie, if you see, you will means your mood will get down, because in fashion movie females are criticized in film industry. um Priyanka Chopra's movie is that in this movie, females have to sacrifice with their body, with their they have to take the drugs, they have to do a lot of things. So this is so the film industry is downgraded by for these reasons. But in civil services, you said that no one can clear the exam. Many people have cleared the exam, if you see, but after, if you not clear the exam, you get a lot of things to learn. So you can't deny that you are not supporting civil services because you are also giving this exam. So I think,
not giving this. I am in the support of film industry.
okay, now you can go and become Shah Rukh Khan.
We had chosen this intentionally, sir.
Look, Amber, I totally agree with you, but I agree to disagree with you. You gave me the example of fashion movie.
Yeah.
How the female faced a kind of harassment which any female, any woman, any lady, any daughter, wife is not supposed to face.
Yeah.
And you are supporting the civil services. Yes, I agree. It is one of the respected, auspicious, prestigious service. It is not a job. It is a service. I am not opposing it. I am just opposing the thing which one aspirant face. You talked about fashion movie. I will talk about the 12th film movie. The reason why Mr. Mukesh Sharma was able to become... Let me quote another example.
Okay.
The real magic of film industry is, we all have heard the name of Shrimati late Sarojini Naidu. She too faced struggle. But at the end, it was the direction of film industry and the work, the hard work which she gave in her respected field. And it was that film industry which created her the Nightingale of India.
But you can't say that if you are in civil services, you will be respectable for that.
I am not saying, please hear my words with utmost and respected clarity. I am not opposing civil services. I am opposing the hard work, the turmoils which an aspirant face in that journey.
But you can't say that. Nah, But you can't say that, because in every journey you have to do a lot of efforts and you have to do the struggle. If you want that respect, that passion, that position, then you have to.
In the year 2023, let me quote some data. Just visit the Wikipedia. In the year 2023, 10 lakh aspirants 10 lakh aspirants appeared for this prestigious examination. 10 lakh. 10,000 got selected in prelims. Sorry, 10,000 got selected. In the mains, only 3,000 was selected. And in the final stage, only 1,000 was selected. And in the IAS category, only 50 IAS officers was there. Yes, those 10 lakh students who was preparing for this examination was a man of knowledge or a woman of knowledge. But tell me any one example where we can find all these men and women. But if I talk about the film industry, if you are working in this film industry, if you are working, the great example is of Nawazuddin Siddiqui. There is a movie named Lapata Ladies. It got screened on Carnival Cinema. Most recently at Met Gala Festival, Mr. Diljit Dosanjh dressed himself as the Raja Bhupinder Singh. We all came to know the legacy of Maharaja Bhupinder Singh via his costume only. Via his costume only. Let me complete. There are places which we may not have heard in our lifetime. Diljit Dosanjh. Dosanjh is the name of a village which is in Punjab. Vinod Khanna. Khanna is the name of a village which is in Punjab. Sidhu Moosewala. Moosewala is the name of a village which is in Punjab. In a very indirect way, just look at the variety, look at the income which is being generated in those small town villages.
But in film industry, you got the celebrity. You can be recognized as a celebrity. But if we
Do our case. In film industry, one can't be a celebrity. If I gave you the example of Sonu Sood, he's a film actor, but in the time of COVID, he was the one who was sponsoring the movement of temporary migrants from one state to another.
So what do you want to say? You want to support or you don't want to support, because you are
I am supporting the concept of film industry.
okay. If you are supporting, then why you are taking another example?
Of which thing?
You are supporting Diljit Dosanjh, and why you are taking another example that in COVID and all that?
Well, you did not got my point. By what I Sonu Sood, he's the actor. He is actor. He got fame.
But he is not getting fame now.
Now it's a different thing.
He is not making money now.
I am quoting the timeline of COVID-19. We all know how much he helped all the needy ones. Amitabh Bachchan, you make a payment of 100 rupees on phone pay, you will heard the voice. Dhanyavad. That's the example. That's the reality. That's the power of film.
But everyone not get that payment.
Well, that's true in film in your prestigious civil services also. I just quote the data. 10 lakh applied. Where are all those students?
In film industry, you also facing that person that come from the family background, don't have knowledge about that field, but also facing that problem. Both is also the nepotism cases. But in the civil services, you facing aspirant that's also apply like you in that field. But film industry is also facing that person that have power and money also.
Yes.
But you don't have that field.
First of all, I tell you the meaning of nepotism.
Nepotism is like that. If you support your children's in field which you have, but don't.
If I am an IPS officer, if I am an IPS officer, my wife is an IAS officer. If I am promoting my child, I am taking care of my child in live way that he or she will be the future IAS officer. Isn't it a kind of nepotism at a very personal level?
It's also you have to compete in between other person. Many person have also that compete with a person that have that power also. The competition also, but in film industry don't have any exam, don't have any fee competition.
Are you sure there if you want to enter into the domain of film industry, there is natural school of drama at Manly House?
But if you talk about that, if you have got that point and also go the film industry, but many person Also, many person families also family members are also not get that point. Many person are died, say Johnny Liver, and many person like that.
Career and opportunities, a kind of job profile which civil services offer. Suppose I am an IPS officer. After my retirement, what is my life? I will be the pensioner. I will get pension. I will get all the perks. I will get all the benefit. If I talk about film industry, it is an industry, a film industry. If I give you the example of Vivek Oberoi, in his earlier day, he was the actor, but now he is the giant in real estate business
Because of his pay.
because of his fare, because of the able example of
PSC civil service examination and regarding the students that have appeared for it. But what about the data that about those people who have, we can say, appeared for film industry? There is no data because it is something that you can't count or you can't keep track of it, because even you could say that it is something that no one actually cares about. Because whether people pursue for film industry or not, first of all, the superiors or you could say the officials doesn't care about whether someone is pursuing a field in film industry. And likewise, they don't care about their rejections as well or their performances, because yes, we could say that it is an era of nepotism, favoritism. It is everywhere. It is in film industry as well. It is in civil services as well. But compound, because even film industry is not just about acting. It also contains many live production line, direction line, scriptography line, cinematography, etc., OTT. And just ask those people who got rejected, who don't get work from these fields as well. They don't even get the opportunity to get inside those gates. At least in civil service, you have the right to at least appear for it. And even if you get rejected or you don't have the, even if you get rejected, there's something you could earn as well. There's something still in your hands, but I don't think there's something in film industry.
Are you in favor of civil services? Yes. Mr. Saransh is in favor of civil services. He is preparing. He gave his 3 years of his, not life, youth life. Youth life. He gave 3 years. Sorry to say, somehow he did not get cleared. Will he get any kind of certificate? No. He will only get a mark sheet, written, not recommended. Okay. We live in a very competitive world. Look at another Mr. Wazir. He is the one who is supporting film industry. He is very good in, suppose, any kind of dance form, be it Bhangra, be it breakdance, okay, be it Bollywood fusion. He appeared for India's Got Talents. He heard that voice, अब आप मुंबई आ सकते हैं. He got that chit. I think from that stage, he can accelerate his career.
There are stages in film industry that you can be selected. But in civil services, there are not stages.
Accepted or rejected.
Accepted or rejected. And if you are rejected, you have no career.
Yeah, no career.
You have only one platform, sir. In this film industry, you have
Multiple opportunities are
singing, like MPS, sir.
Oh, उस लड़की का नाम क्या था, क्या होती थी?
Migarima.
Miss Garima was there. He went to India's dancing superstar. Okay. She heard that voice, अब आप मुंबई आ सकते हैं. But later on she came back. When she was in this institute, we don't used to recognize her by her name. We used to recognize by her, oh, she went to that stage. But in terms of civil services, if he is preparing, will he pace that level? Not that level, that mark sheet which he will got, not recommended. Is it of worth? Or that certificate that chit with that respected girl got? क्या उसकी वर्थ ज़्यादा है? Answer it.
No. There only one title that he got rejected in civil service.
He will not crack the exam. He may prefer to other exam, state service, civil services. Go to the. If he not selected, he gains lots of knowledge. He reading lots of books there.
You will listen to me when? If I am the service or if I am just a man of knowledge? Kindly say.
Yes. Do you think your state service also?
You are talking in the sense I am doing my engineering. I am in the first year of my days of graduation and I am bombarding my knowledge. You will not entertain me till the time I did not complete my whole degree. Will any company place me? Give me placement? Will any company give me placement?
So basically, if you want to join, you should go.
Look, you said
No problem.
I have
So basically, superstars with people who have not been selected in competitive exams. Let us have a separate opinion. Both of things. People who have not been given a chance in the industry overall, who have spent their lives sitting in a chawl or something like that, and with the people who have not been selected. Okay, first of all, then is with the superstar and the people who have done very well in their industry. Only these superstars are successful in film industry. Who have done amazing job like you're doing Duval or whatever, we make Mishri or whatever. It's a whole long history, right? People in the industry have done a lot of amazing things for the country and for the government, right? The endless records if we get into that, because if we want to learn about them, because Bollywood industry is so easily accessible to us, right? But people who are actually in this field, Abhishek can know it better because we are not in that field. But so you might be knowing people who have done one than that. Second thing, let us talk about people who have failed in the industry and people who have failed in the competitive exam, right? People who have failed in the industry. What do we have data? As Mr. Vidal said, we don't have data. It could be 10 times higher than what we see in civil exam, because in civil exams we know that there are limited seats and everybody want to get into that because they're looking for a career which is particular, which has good salaries, decent salaries, and which have position and power to change the things. With Bollywood or film industry, what else? If you fail, what will you do? What will you do? Do we have stories about them? Have they gone back and done something in their life? Or if they did not get chance, they become a drug peddler or a prostitute or something like that. Sorry to say, but we just got some example. You might have seen this serial criminal justice in Hotstar. There is a lady which is representing this, who was working with that advocate, the beautiful girl. She had a career. She lost her career and she became a prostitute. So there are a lot of examples which I can give. Mandakini is one of the case, right? So see, this is what I'm saying, that it's a very vast discussion to have. But as a parent, if I am a parent, if you are a parent, you will always emphasize that your kid reach to a level where there's a dignity, where there's a salary, where there's a power and position. They will always look for that. And I will not undermine film industry, obviously, because it also takes a lot of courage, lot of effort. It's not easy. We look people earning crores and all that stuff, but we don't know their journey. We don't know how they have come through. We don't know. And these are the people who came from lakhs of crores of people. You never know, right? Crores of people are following them. One people, not crores of people have become those earning people, right? Where very few superstars have become in the entire industry. We have seen even with established stars, if they don't get work, they get failed. Stories like Jeanat Aman and all that stuff. We know how they died in a flat. Nobody knows about them. 4 days in a flat, their body was rotting, but nobody cared. Right. This is how our life is. This is very insecure line. You have to be a hit one if you want to do that, right? This is how it is. And there's a headache. It's a headache. Nepotism is there. Casting couch is there. You have to compromise a lot.
just you talked about data also. Just give me the data of number of transgenders which have so far since the days of independence till today's days have been selected in this civil services. More than just give me one name. Any transgender which so far has joined this so-called civil services.
How many have applied? Do you have the data?
Okay. I don't know. That's not my issue. I am the person of film industry. The role of transgenders in film industry. Very recently, a transgender has been awarded Padma Vibhushan in the most recent days because of the Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, that's also...
No, it's a cultural thing.
No, it's a dance form which is somehow associated with film.
It's not film. That's not at all. That the film it doesn't have the cowboy and the
Let me change my example.
is the art field.
Suppose I am a film star. I am Shah Rukh Khan of my field. I need a haircut. How many of you have heard the name of... sir, what's the name of that barber? Javed Habib.
Javed Habib, Alim Khan.
Javed, how many you have heard the name of Javed Habib? He belongs to film industry. Okay, he belongs to film industry.
Have a problem with system. But in the film industry, there is no system.
That's why film industry is not good. That's why I just want to say that you are complimenting film industry. No, you're not complimenting film industry. That's why film industry is good.
So they have problem with film in civil services because there is a system for selection, and in everything there is a system. Everyone have a problem, but system
Which is the topmost pillar, or which is known as the strongest pillar of the country and of the nation? Like whom we believe so much?
government,
Judiciary or government or what?
government,
Judiciary or government?
issue.
Judiciary.
Yeah,
Judge was caught even
yeah,
in like in money laundering.
yeah.
Judge was caught. Judge was
It's up
arrested.
to them, na.
That's up to them.
To them. But they are doing, but it's personal opinion that what we do at our position, but how we take the benefit of our position, you can say.
So this is what we are saying. Everybody loves money, and when they don't earn that up to mark money, they even have to do crimes. And especially it happens in the department.
There are multiple channels, then the drugs come to the picture. Drugs, guns, bombs, people, lot of things, right? It's not just about one department. There is a hand in glove with a lot of department, lot of people who are running the show, right? And it includes lots of who's and who's of the industry also, because industry is also been very renowned in dealing with underworld people, dealing with
I'll ask you a general question. There are how many pillars in our nation?
pillars.
Yes.
You're talking about democracy.
Democracy. We have no. I'm talking about our nation is run on 3 pillars. With 3 pillars, that is judiciary, executive, and legislative. And these 3, do you think that they have clean sheet? I have a straightforward question.
No clean sheet.
No clean sheet.
That no clean sheet. See, the country is corrupt, right? We all know that. We all know that. But who will change? Somebody who has the power in the position. So after these leaders, who so-called leaders, say where the position power lies, it's with the administration only. There's a case which happened in Karnataka. There was a lady, IAS officer. Somebody has some religious comments on her on this operations in doors, like that. And you know what, sir? What happened that the leader has given some wrong remarks on her. She was from exactly. And the entire IS lobby has gone behind her, and the minister has to apologize with the power. But the problem is this, that they are not united. But they have the power to change everything if they want. Because leaders come for 5 years, they are not. And whatever leaders can do, if they because leaders work hand in glove. Right? These guys don't, because they normally do their duties.
Then there is a dialogue, dhoti khol raha hai. And we see that Anil Kapoor, how in Nayak movie, he just, opens up about and reveals the secrets of Amrish Puri, who was CM actually. So Nayak movie, do you think that Nayak movie also gave that exactly, kind of, it exposed the politics, right? Even the civil servants are not able to expose those politicians, but film industry shows the mirror. आईना दिखाने का काम कर रही है.